All right, welcome to this lesson, and today we will be learning how to install MySQL and set up the server. So this is relatively simple. If you've used Linux before, this should be as simple as writing a couple of commands, which is exactly what we are going to do. So I am using Ubuntu 18.04, but these commands will work in 16.04 as well, or pretty much any recent distribution of Linux. All right, so in order to install MySQL, first thing we need to do is use the package manager to update all of our repositories. So you will also need super user access to run these commands. So make sure you have super user access or admin access on your machine. So to update our repositories, we need to run the command. All right, we need to run the command sudo apt get update. Once you type this in, just hit enter. Let me put my password in. All right, there we go. And it will update our repositories. So we wait for this to happen. Once that's done, we can run sudo. This will actually install the MySQL server on our computer. So let's go with, you need the super user command again, sudo apt get install MySQL server. Run. Also, it's going to ask you if you want to continue. Type Y and let it continue. So this is going to run. All right, so once this is over, you're back to where you can type in some more commands. We need to run the secure installation utility. So how we do that is, once again, we use let me clear this first so you can see better. All right, so once again, you run your sudo, we type MySQL _ secure _ installation space utility. All right, then you hit enter. So it's asking if we want to validate the plugin. We type yes. For levels of security, you have low, medium, or strong. I will go with 1 for medium. That means we have to have numeric numbers, upper and lowercase letters, and special characters. So you come up with a password and write your password in there. Let's make sure password. All right. Do you wish to continue with this password provided? Type in yes. Removing the anonymous users, type in yes. And disallow root login remotely. I will go with I will go with no for me personally. But if you don't want root login remotely, then you would definitely put this to yes. And I will remove the test database because we will not need it. Reload privilege tables now. Yes. All right, and then we are done with the setup. That is all you need to do to set up your MySQL server in your Linux distribution. So that is all for this lesson, and see you in the next one.